Dear students, I hope you all are doing well. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. In this video, I explain three technology with respect to structure and variables. For your easy understanding, I explained three technologies, namely JSP, PHP, and JavaScript with respect to structure and variables. Let me see the structure of this technology. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. PHP and JSP are server-side programming language. While talking about the structure, we can write the JavaScript, PHP, and JSP into the HTML page. So we can write or we can embed the JavaScript code into the HTML page. In the same way, we can write the PHP and JSP. So what it means, we can write all these three technology can be inserted into the HTML page. Let me see how. So while talking about the JavaScript, if you want to insert the JavaScript code into the HTML page means you have to write the script element. So by using the script element, you can write the JavaScript code into the HTML page. So your JavaScript code start with script element, end with script element. So inside this element, you can write the JavaScript. So this code can be inserted into the HTML page. Take the second one, it is nothing but PHP. What is meant by PHP? PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a server-side programming language. It is more secure than other scripting language, we know very well. If you want to insert the PHP code into the HTML page means you have to use this structure. That means the PHP code starts with less than question mark and end with question mark greater than symbol. Inside this, you can write the PHP code. In this way, you can write the PHP code into the HTML page. Take third one, it is nothing but JSP, Java Server Page. It is a server-side programming language. It is used to create the dynamic web pages, as we all know. So here, JSP code start with less than percentage and ends with percentage greater than symbol. Inside this, you can write the Java source code or JSP code. In this way, you can write the JSP code into the HTML page. That's all about the structure of the technology. Let me see about the variables. So what about the variables? Variable is used to store the data. What is the use of the variable? Variable is a container. It is used to store the data. So let me see how. Here, by using the var keyword, we can write or we can declare the variables in the JavaScript. By using the var keyword, var means variable. By using the var keyword, we can declare the variable in the JavaScript. And one more point is, JavaScript is a loosely typed language. What is my loosely typed language? There is no need to specify the data type. So here, we didn't specify any data type. What it means? Just you are going to use the keyword var followed by the variable name. That variable is holding the value 10. What it means? Here A is holding the value 10 means A is the integer variable. Likewise, PHP also loosely typed language. What it means? There is no need to specify the data type for the variable. But the variable is declared in the PHP is $. So all the PHP variables starts with $. So dollar followed by the variable name that is equal to value. So A is holding the value 10 means A is the integer variable. Here JSP is the strongly typed language. What is the strongly typed language? Here we have to specify the data type for the variable. JSP variable is stored with less than percentage exclamatory symbol, and followed by JSP variable declaration, end with semicolon, and the JSP variable structure should end with percentage and greater than symbol. So inside this symbol, you can write the JSP variable declaration. So here you have specified the data type of the variable name A. So here integer is the data type, A is the variable name. So A is holding the value 10. So here we can say JSP is the strongly typed language. That means you have to specify the data type for the variable and also method. Whereas JavaScript and PHP is the loosely typed language because there is no need to specify the data type for the variable or method. Thank you for watching.